Hi guys, welcome to our channel of Sciences and Mathematics. Today we're going to deal with the structure of a basic organic molecule. Of course, that is the structure of benzene. And we're going to see how different parts of the benzene molecule, of course, dictate its nature of the physical and chemical properties. So without further ado, thank you and welcome. So as I've mentioned, today we're going to learn about the structure of benzene. It's a short concept that we are supposed to learn, of course, which is going to assist us to determine its physical and chemical properties. Of course, assist us interpret any information that we may come across that pertains to the benzene molecule. So in this case, benzene, of course, is a liquid at room temperature, and which is a good solvent. So in this case, the physical properties, benzene is a liquid at room temperature. This is a liquid at room temperature. Of course, when we're studying the topics in physical chemistry, we know about the standard temperature, room temperature, so we can just assume that it's 25 degrees. Of course, there are different conversions for temperature, for Fahrenheit, and then for Kelvins, which we're going to look in different topics, or which we have covered in some of our videos. So this is a liquid at room temperature, and then it's a good organic solvent, but it is toxic. Of course, we're going to learn about the concept of carcinogenic or carcinogens when we shall talk about the concept of cancer, substances which can be able to trigger cancer. It's a good organic solvent. And then lastly, we have talked about it being toxic. Benzene is toxic, and we have said that it's carcinogenic, which means it can trigger cancer, trigger the condition of cancer. So in this case, these are some of the short or brief properties of benzene. We're going to learn other additional ones as we go by, or maybe some of the characteristics of its derivatives. So in this case, in this topic for today, I'm going to mention a few terms that we've talked in one of our videos pertaining to the concept of course, the reaction, but it's going to be basic and relevant to this. So we talked about in one of our videos about the concept of sigma